Hi guys, this is Irfan from ThriveServe. In this tutorial we will see how to reverse a number without using pre-built method of string builder class. We will write our own logic to reverse our string. Suppose the string is welcome to Java programming. We have a string. We can have any number of any string. So we will reverse this string. Let's move to the editor and try it. New Java project. Write a project name. Suppose reverse string. No, don't create. Go to src, create a class. Say any name. Was demo. Yeah, or reverse string. Reverse string. Check public static void main method. Take input by user. Take any string input by user. So by the help of a scanner class, we can take input by user. It take argument as system.in. System is a class, in as a object reference. sc.next. Don't use next method here, because if you will use next method, it will read only a part of a string. Once you will give a space, suppose welcome to Java programming, so it will read only welcome from your console. So very carefully use next line instead of next. Now close the scanner. This is the repeated work, so we will use loop. So for int I equals to 0, I less than str1 dot length I plus. We will start by 0th index and we will run this loop till the length of the string. So next what we will do, we will use caret method of string array. str1 dot caret index, that is I. What it will give? It will give a character. It will give a character. So we will create a char array. First char array. In that char array, we will store one by one the value of this index. Ch equals to new char, and the length of this char array should be equal to the length of the string, that is str1 dot length. So it is okay. So how we will store that the string will be reversed? We will store at the last of the character this array. The first we will read from first, we will read from beginning, and we will store from last. We will read from beginning, and in the array in the char array we will store from last in the reverse order. So automatically this will be a reverse in the, it will be stored in the reverse order in the char array, and again we will create a string, another string str, that is reverse rev, new string, and we will pass this char array as an argument of the string. So our string will be, reverse string will be completed here. So this is rev, so we will get the reverse. So we have read here from the beginning, we need to store from last in the char array. So ch of str dot length -1 minus of I, str1 dot length, sorry, str1 dot length minus len. What is the problem here? str1 dot length, oh sorry, ch dot length, -1 minus I. So this is the last index of this char array. This is the last index of this char array. As the value of I will increase, it will move towards the beginning. So this is the last index of char array, and this we will minus I from every turn in the loop. In the first time we will subtract 0 as the value of 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So the value of this will be, this will reduce towards the beginning, and at the last what it will be, the value of I, it will be the length str dot length -1 and the ch dot length -1 and the str dot length -1, both are same, the value of both are same. So it will cancel out, and it will at the last word, last character will be stored at the beginning of the char array. Our program is complete, and right click on the project, run a Java application and check it. So I am entering welcome to Java programming. Here check the output. Suppose I am entering something other. Hello, how are you? Check the output. Our program is running successfully. Please subscribe my channel to